Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back again. It's Steve. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I am going to unbox a vlogging kit, not an expensive vlogging kit, but a kit that I found at a place called Five Below. I guess it depends on where you are in the country. I live in California, and we have these stores called Five Below. Basically, it's like a 99-cent store, but theoretically, everything's supposed to be under $5, but they sell electronics there. Some pretty cool things, nothing like a Rode microphone, but I found this smartphone vlogging kit right here for $10. So 10 bucks for a kit that comes with, it looks like a tripod, a little LED light, and a microphone. So since I'm a page for beginners, I figured, hey, maybe someone is watching this, they have no equipment whatsoever, and they want to set up a quick YouTube channel and maybe just use their phones, their iPhone or their Android phone, and they don't want to pay $200 for a Rode VideoMic Pro and $50 for a, handheld tripod and stuff like that. So I figured I would just pick this up for 10 bucks right there and see what it's all about. I'm going to unbox this now, obviously, and then on my next video, I think I'm going to handheld my Sony a7 III and intro it with my Rode VideoMic Pro. Then maybe I'll cut it, do another minute or so talking with my a7 III and my Video Micro, the smaller Rode microphone. Then I'll cut it, and at the end, I will take my iPhone 13 Pro and then connect this smartphone vlogging kit to it. And then maybe we could see the difference in audio in the video. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So let's open it and see what this, I guess it's an Iconic smartphone vlogging kit from Five Below. Here it is, let's get it open. And just note, this kit, you do need batteries, which I have right here. Oh, forgot to take them. It needs 2 AA batteries, so I purchased some Rayovac batteries at Five Below as well. So we'll get the old Milwaukee blade and we'll just open this. I might not even need it, but let's see. I'm gonna ruin this box. Okay. There's the box. Oh, on the back you can see it comes with the light, the tripod, the mic, and the little piece to attach to your phone. Looks like there's some paper in here. All right, let's see. Okay, the instructions on how to assemble are right here. So that looks pretty good. Fairly simple. And here everything it comes with. The handheld tripod, or the tripod if you want to put it on your desk. The clip for the cell phone. The little microphone, and the light. So let's see. We'll start with the tripod. Okay, so it looks like you press in here. Okay. So it's a handheld. Let's see, we'll move back a little bit. Handheld, you're gonna selfie it. And it also looks like the feet come out. I don't wanna, oh, there we go. And then it becomes a tripod to drop on your table. And it's made out of plastic. It's not great, but it's $10. And if you're beginning, I could see maybe this working. So that's the tripod. Put that down. It has the clip for your cell phone. Now I have an iPhone 13 Pro. Let's get that in there and let's see if it fits around it. So I have the Pro with the case on, and let's see. Oh my God, which way? Oh, it's that way. All right, let's see. Let's see. Don't want to break it. All right, so it fits the iPhone 13 Pro. It doesn't say exactly on the box like what it's technically compatible with, but I feel like this is maybe the max. I feel like if the phone was bigger, it would probably break. So let's take the clip off without breaking it. All right, so there we go. And again, made out of plastic. And yeah, if you dropped it from a high distance or you kind of overextended trying to connect it, it would probably snap. All right. The little microphone, pretty cool, tiny, tiny. Let's see, take off the, and if you judge by the size, no pun intended, the size of the microphone, the Rode Video Micro is about the same size, but I'm sure the quality of this isn't as good, but this is a little microphone you get. Put that back on. It's a little dented, but as you can see, there's the microphone. Audio cable. Get that in focus. I'm guessing, yeah, this goes from the microphone to your cell phone, so you'd have to connect the audio cable. And the last piece, oh man. The last piece is the lights. Again, plastic. And you know what? Let's see. So it has an on-off button and then a plus and minus button. So I'm guessing you turn it on and off, and you could also adjust the brightness. And I'm just gonna throw some batteries in here. Let's see what happens. I didn't want this to be too long of a video, but might as well just check that out. All right, so we'll take my two AA's, pop them in here. All right, easy enough. There goes one, there goes two. Get this back. All right, now I have the batteries in, and let's check this out. Cool. Not bad of a light, actually. Whoa. Does it get brighter, or is that the brightest setting? Let's see. Wow. Holy cow. This is actually not bad. Because I have my window right here. So I don't have much light here, but this is not bad. Like no light. And then you could lower it. You can't really tell, but it lowered. And it has 6x6, so 36 individual lights. And those are the LED lights. All right, so that is the Aconic smartphone vlogging kit that I purchased from Five Below. Again, here it is. It was $10. You can see everything that it includes right there. Pistol tripod, shotgun microphone, universal phone mount, 36 bulb LED light, no batteries included. I'm gonna test this out. Maybe later on today, maybe I'll post a video tomorrow, but I'm definitely gonna try it out. Like I said, I'm gonna start the video introing it with my A7 III and the Video Mic Pro, switch to the Video Micro, and then lastly, I'll do the outro with the smartphone vlogging kit and the shotgun microphone that this one came with, and see how it is. There is everything. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope my test goes well, and this is a pretty good mic, but for $10, what can you expect? But we'll see. So leave any questions below. If for some reason you have a Five Below in your neighborhood and you purchased this little vlogging kit and you've used it, let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys. Whoop.